The short boho braids is one hairstyle that most people do not know that you can actually achieve with only your hair being braided, either natural or relaxed. This invention made me reminded me just now of the kinky boho braid. If the kinky boho braid can actually be made with just your braided natural hair, and then we fix the kinky, why not? Why can't the short boho braid also be made with your natural hair? Okay, so in this commentary video, Ngozi is trying to show us here how she was able to achieve this short boho braid using just her hair. Already, initially, she said she thought of using her hair, but because of the porosity of her hair, she had to use the extension. And look at that, how it came out, even without the use, with just her hair and just the coily extension. It gave the bow braid vibe, and it gave a little kind of uniqueness and different. This is so beautiful. And if you're yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button and see you in my next comment.